Are you looking for ways to style a t-shirt for any occasion? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 versatile looks that will take your t-shirt game to the next level. 1. The classic tuck. This look is timeless and perfect for any occasion. Simply tuck the front of your t-shirt into your pants and you're good to go. 2. The half tuck. This look is great for a more casual look. Tuck the front of your t-shirt into your pants and leave the back untucked. 3. The French tuck. This look is perfect for a more polished look. Tuck the front of your t-shirt into your pants and pull the sides up slightly. 4. The knot. This look is great for a more casual look. Take the bottom of your t-shirt and tie it in a knot at the front. 5. The half knot. This look is great for a more casual look. Take the bottom of your t-shirt and tie it in a knot at the side. 6. The layered look. This look is great for a more edgy look. Layer a t-shirt over a collared shirt and leave the collar and sleeves of the collared shirt visible. 7. The cropped look. This look is great for a more edgy look. Cut the bottom of your t-shirt off and pair it with high-waisted jeans or shorts. 8. The oversized look. This look is great for a more relaxed look. Wear an oversized t-shirt with leggings or jeans. 9. The tucked-in look. This look is great for a more polished look. Tuck your t-shirt into a skirt or trousers and add a belt for a more finished look. 10. The off-the-shoulder look. This look is great for a more edgy look. Wear your t-shirt off one shoulder and pair it with jeans or a skirt. So there you have it. 10 ways to style a t-shirt for any occasion. Now you can take your t-shirt game to the next level. Thank you for watching our video today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on the 2 new videos we upload every day for free. By subscribing, you'll get informative and entertaining content every day. See you in our next video.